Welcome back. Today topic is activized to passivized. According to tenses, the tenses are originally 12. In those, we have 8 tenses passivized only. First one, simple present tense. Active structure is subject plus V1 S E S I E S object. How can you write passivized? Object, continuous tense, helping verbs. What are those? Is, am, are. Should be written here. Object, is, am, are. V3 by subject. Regarding simple past, subject plus V2 plus object. Object plus was or were. Continuous tense helping verbs are was or were. Okay. Common points, V3 preposition by subject. Regarding simple future, subject plus shall will V1 plus object. Future continuous tense helping verb are appeared. What are those? Object plus shall be will be V3 preposition by subject. Next, continuous tenses. In the passive voice, same helping verbs will become. Additionally, being should be written because all are continuous tenses. For all continuous tense in the passive voice form, being should be written. Being should be written. Object is, am, are, being V3 by plus subject. Here subject was or were V4 object. Object was or were being V3 preposition by subject. There is no passive voice for future continuous tense because there are no usages in the present context, in the present time. Last one, present perfect tense. Structure is subject ever has V3 plus object. In the passive voice, same helping verb should be written and additionally we have to write been. Object plus have been or has been, ever has been, V3 preposition by subject. Here subject add plus V3 plus object. Object plus add plus been plus common points V3 preposition by subject. Regarding last one, subject shall have or will have V3 plus object. In the passive voice form, object shall have or will have been V3 by plus subject. Okay, now simple present tense. Let us see active structure. Subject verb form 1. For third pair singular number, S, ES, IS will be added plus object. Passive voice form, object should be written first. Suitable helping verbs is, am, are. Any one of them should choose. Verb form 3 preposition by subject. Okay, see, they play cricket. They play cricket. According ATK formula, A means analysis. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb form 1, object. That is analysis. Second one is to find tense. Subject plus V1 plus object means simple present tense. Simple present tense. Now start one. To find kinds of sentence. Start with subject, capital letter, ends with full stop means affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Okay. Now apply. Apply means should be, object should be here. One see, object should be changed as subject. Second one, we should write helping verb. Should write helping verb. We should write verb form 3. We should write preposition by, sometimes to also, at also. And finally subject changed as object. See, object should be written here. Cricket. Next, suitable helping verb is. Cricket refers to it. It is suitable helping verb is. Second is vowel. Third one, what is verb form 3? Play, played, played. Fourth rule, preposition by. They changed as them. They changed as them. On C, they changed as them. In the place of I, the passive is me, he, him, she, her, they, them, we, us, you, it only, any name only, no need to change. Okay. So this is only for affirmative sentence purpose, active to passive rules. Now, second one. According to ATK formula, analysis, subject, verb form 1, S is added, object, games. According to affirmative rules, okay, object should be written first. What is that? Games. Games plural no. What is that? They refers to here either these or those, or if it is singular changed as plural, then only we should use are. Games plural no, so that we should write are. Games are played. Games are played by. She changed as her. She changed as her. Understand? So we have to remind that ATK formula code for affirmative sentence for 5 rules, and pronouns will be changed subject case to object case, active as to passive as. Now these are the examples. Now let us see simple past tense. Now simple past tense, structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Passive voice, object plus was or were, verb form 3, preposition by subject. Now regarding helping verbs, he was, she was, it was, I was. They were, you were, we were. One example, I gave a book. According to ATK formula, first of all analysis, subject, verb, object. Second one, to find tense, subject plus verb form 2, object. Subject plus V2 plus object means simple past tense. According to kinds of sentence, we have to find what kind of sentence? Affirmative sentence. Next, A for apply. How can you do apply? First of all, we should write object. What is that? A book. A book. Suitable helping verb. A book refers to thing. So was, a book was given. Preposition is by. Preposition is by. Subject, what is that? I changed as me. Object to case. I, me, he, him, she, her, they, them, we, us, you, it only, any name only, same name. Second one. They helped me. Analysis, first one. Subject, V2, object. To find tense. Subject, V2, object means simple past tense. To find kinds of sentence means positive sentence, affirmative sentence. Now this one, object first rule, me changed as I, me changed as I suitable helping verb is what is was, helped third form is helped, Third form written preposition by subject. They changed as them. These are the example for simple past tense, active voice to passive voice. Now we are going to simple future tense. This is simple future tense. Structure is subject, shall or will be one plus object. Object plus shall be or will be were form 3 preposition by subject. Suitable helping verbs. I shall be, we shall be, they will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be. Example 1. I shall help you. First of all, analysis. We can do analysis. Subject helping verb were form 1 object. To find tense, subject shall or will V1 object means simple future tense. To find kinds of sentence, start with subject and switch full stop. There is no negative word so that it is affirmative sentence. Last one, apply. Apply rule is, first of all, you should write object. Object first. What is that? You. You suitable helping verb is will be. Third form, verb third form, help third form is helped. Preposition is by. Subject, I changed as me. I changed as me. Answer. Second one. Again analysis. Subject, helping verb, main verb, object. Analysis over. T means tense. Subject shall or will be one object means simple future. Subject place. Start with subject and with full stop. There is no negative words. It is affirmative sentence. Now after applying how can you do? First of all, object. Object here him. Changed as he. He suitable helping verb is will be. Will be. Call third form is call, called, called. Okay. Next one by. Preposition is by. Subject what is it? They changed as them. They changed as them. These are examples for simple future tense with structure, and according to this code and this rule, some of the pronouns how can we change into subject case to object or object case to subject.